Welcome to Upcoming Cruiser Bikes, your go-to channel for the latest motorcycle launches and reviews. Today, we bring you an in-depth look at the 2025 Yamaha XS650, a motorcycle that beautifully blends classic aesthetics with modern performance. A nod to the past. The Yamaha XS650 is a timeless name in the world of motorcycles. With the 2025 edition, Yamaha pays homage to its heritage by retaining the iconic retro design elements. The classic teardrop fuel tank, round headlamp, and vintage-inspired twin exhausts evoke a sense of nostalgia for riders who appreciate timeless beauty. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 XS650 boasts a refined 650cc parallel twin engine, equipped with modern fuel injection and enhanced cooling technology. Delivering a smooth yet punchy horsepower, this bike ensures a thrilling ride, whether cruising on highways or navigating city streets. The addition of a 6-speed gearbox enhances efficiency and performance. Modern features. While the XS650 remains rooted in its classic design, Yamaha has equipped it with cutting-edge features. A fully digital instrument cluster seamlessly integrates with a smartphone app, providing navigation, call alerts, and bike diagnostics. LED lighting and ABS come as standard, ensuring safety and visibility in all conditions. Comfort and handling. Yamaha has designed the 2025 XS650 with rider comfort in mind. A well-padded seat and an upright riding position make it ideal for long-distance cruising. The lightweight frame and upgraded suspension ensure excellent handling, while the bike's agile nature caters to both new and experienced riders. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Yamaha XS650 offers an unbeatable combination of style and functionality at an affordable price. Expected to launch globally by mid-year, it's set to make waves in the cruiser segment. Keep an eye out for regional availability and pricing updates. Stay tuned to Upcoming Cruiser Bikes for more updates on the 2025 Yamaha XS650 and other exciting launches. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest in the world of motorcycles.